Today, we're sharing 5 powerful words that can grab attention and keep people engaged. Let's dive in. Imagine. Meaning: encourages visualization and curiosity. In a sentence, imagine how much easier life would be with this solution. Why it's effective: it activates the listener's mind, making them more receptive to your message. You. Meaning: directly addresses the audience, making them feel involved. In a sentence, you won't believe what happened next. Why it's effective: personalization increases engagement and draws people in. Secret. Meaning: implies exclusive or little-known information. In a sentence, let me share a secret that successful people know. Why it's effective: people are naturally curious about exclusive insights and hidden knowledge. Instantly. Meaning: promises immediate results or impact. In a sentence, this trick will instantly improve your productivity. Why it's effective: adds urgency and makes the audience eager to learn more. Proven. Meaning: suggests credibility and reliability. In a sentence, this method is proven to deliver results. Why it's effective: it reassures the listener that what you're saying is backed by evidence or experience. Quick tip: using words that spark curiosity, urgency, and credibility can make your message more compelling and memorable. Did you find this useful? Subscribe for more tips like this. See you.